Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys the ultimate luxury day boat, being the 2023 Aviara AV32. So starting right back here on the back of the boat. So this boat has modern comfort all the way around. Whether you're looking to rear face seat all the way back here, or even have your stadium seating for an extremely comfort day at the water. Now, along with that, you also have cool fill technology on all of this vinyl, giving you that comfort that you need to be out all day on the water. So as we go further through the boat, you're gonna see the progressive styling all the way through this boat, whether we're looking at just the grab handles of how clean and nice all this billet aluminum is, or even just looking at the easy access compartments that make your day simple on the water. To your trash cans, even coming over here to your cooler, and even your sink. So just very well thought out design all the way around to keep all of your passengers very comfortable where they don't have to get up. Now, little details such as lifting up your seats that are all on brackets and gas assisted, just making your day that much easier. Now, coming over here to the helm, Aviara's elevated control is a big piece of this boat. So you got dual digital throttles for your Ilmore engines. You even do have joystick piloting, which works phenomenal on this boat, allowing you to walk that boat perfectly into the dock and have no challenge docking. Now our screens over here, we got 3 separate screens, keeping everything super simple, with your engine function screen off to the right hand side, your chart plotter right there in the center, and then all of the boat functions all the way to the left side, where you can control your windlass, even this great sunshade off of the back, and many other little details. Now as we walk through the boat, got a really nice port side walk-through windshield here, giving you a ton of room, not only in the stern, but even up here in the bow. And notice how deep this bow seating is. Again, going after that modern comfort and just having a boat that feels safe and sound. Last but not least, this boat does also have a head compartment on it with a very easy access. Magnetizes to the gunnel, so that way if you're moving around in heavy seas, you can make sure that all your passengers are nice and safe. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.